Good morning, good evening, good afternoon from wherever you're tuning in from. Welcome to this channel once again. My name is its_Kisaka. So pleased to have you back on this channel. If this is your first time on this channel, do me a favor by subscribing, liking, and sharing this video out. To my returning subscribers, I appreciate for always taking your time to come back and watch my videos. There's a video that was trending of a revivalist church. Look at this clip.
Jesus, I bold you.
I know, if I'm going to police, you're not going to arrest you, you know that.
Call the police, my friend. Call
You
them.
need to go, man. Come on, time to go, man. We got no day for this, man.
Say that. Me and the police, my friend. Call them and see if they're not rushing.
Come on, man.
It is a lady in a supermarket ringing a bell, and some sort of the supermarket man is trying to warn him that he's going to call the police. So many things have been happening in Jamaica concerning churches recently. If not this month, in the course of this year, there was a baptism that was taking place in Jamaica, and the people baptized, the bishop baptizing, and the congregants were almost swept away. It was also a revivalist church. To the people who don't know, the revivalist church is a kind of church that traces its roots in Jamaica, and they combine Christian beliefs with some of the African beliefs. So recently, there's a video that has been trending about the same revivalist church known as Zionist church, something of the sort. They are Jamaicans who are based in the United States of America. And in this church, it was so sad that the bishop or the pastor got into a state of altercation, which got abusive at some point in terms of the language, a lot of F words, and it's also at some point got physical as the bishop or rather attacked the lady. This is the video. Let me break it down to you.
This is ridiculous. No, this is disrespect.
You don't give nothing either. Because me say don't give the half no collection. That's what I tell you, but I don't care. I am not putting my money. I know. I am not putting my. That's how I'm going to chat people. That's why I'm not giving my money. I was gonna give 10,000 to this young person, and I am not giving a dime. Go away.
You go to hell.
I must go to hell.
I don't want you to.
You can't send me to hell. You are not God.
The church is based in New Jersey. From the video, from their sitting arrangement, you can tell that this is some of the churches in the US have such kind of sitting arrangement. In the middle of the church, I think that is where the altar is. And this is Prince. The name of the church is Prince Emmanuel something Zionist Church. From the argument in the video, you can tell that they're arguing about church funds. It is sad that it had to get to this level. The Bible tells us that the love of money is the root of all evil. The love of money, the things people do to get the money, can end up making some people to stray away from their faith. But also the Bible tells us that money is the answer to all our problems. So I think it is a matter of how you get the money, and you should not worship money or be willing to do something bad because of money. But money is also necessary for running churches, for our survival. But the love of money, the things people do in extremity to get the money, that is where the problem is. So in this case, you can see the bishop getting into verbal altercation with the lady, and the lady is elderly. There are two ladies there. There's one that has something like a wheelchair, I think, to help her to walk. So the lady that is getting into altercation with the bishop, she is telling the bishop or the pastor that she wanted to give the church 10,000. I think that is US dollars, because the church is in New Jersey. That is a lot of money over here in Africa. That is to the tune of 1.2 million Kenyan shilling. That is in my country. So, and the bishop is answering back, saying that he doesn't need, that he doesn't want the 10,000. And at some point, the bishop goes ahead to call the lady, to tell the lady to go to hell. So that is just a few moments before this altercation escalates further. And you can see money has been a problem to so many people and so many churches. Not only even in this clip, even in different media stations, there have been fights because of money. If there's no if there's no if there's no proper management, then this is likely to occur. This is likely to occur. Proper management, proper stewardship of money should be should happen.
Demon.
Yes.
Because I don't respect you. I don't respect you.
Oh my God. 911. Jesus Christ. Lord. Oh my God. What is happening? What is happening? Oh my God. Ione, stop. Ione, stop. Ione, stop. 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 Call the cutlass.
I'm going to call him.
Call 911. Please. Call 911. This is abuse. Stop. Hey. Put on the... Ione. This is serious. You need to stop. You need to... You're taking it too far.
Are you handing them a mouth and when you pull it out? Listen to me. You started, and you know you started. You keep going.
This is an embarrassment.
Oh
my God.
Look at me. I don't know where I call the police. I'll put you out here. Yeah. Listen. You started it. I have witnesses. You started it. I went well and invite you. No, I invite you. And invite you. I invite you. You're too loud. You're just... Tell the man right here that this is my mark. How about this? What is? I know. Right, you know.
Don't you want to fight until you
every time you open your mouth, until you can't say.
Because what? You pastor. You know what?
I know, don't worry, sir.
You know what? This church is not going nowhere.
Yes, it is. As long as she goes, it is okay.
She needs to go.
That's it. And that's it. This is the last of it. She did. She put her hands on me. She don't need to be here. And she started our stuff. I have...
Yeah, we're going to leave you in here then. So we have to go.
No, she's leaving. She's leaving.
I'm leaving.
I'm let you push too much fireman.
Achieve the dirty girl.
Well, that's not a dirty girl. That's your church member. Don't tell me to shut up. I will lick you down. You don't know me. You don't know your life. You can be my grandmother. I'm not scared of you, bitch. I'm not scared of you. I'm scared of you. Stop, man. This is for my family. You know, I will kill you for my family. Don't with me. Stop with my family. Don't with my auntie.
At this point, the altercation escalates further, and the bishop, I think the bishop was the one who stooped low, who went to the level of the congregant in such a way that, you know, in United States, we have this thing called a personal space. So he broke this personal space and approached the lady. You can see from the video, he went straight to the lady, and after provoking her, the lady got angered, and she was trying to look for anything. You know, with anger is very bad. Once you're angry, you can be able to do anything. Anger is a sin, and we are humans, and once one is angry, bad words can come out of our mouths, and we can be able to do bad things. It is not advisable to act when you are angry. Even when discipline other people, your children, it's not advisable to discipline your children when you are angry, because the outcome will be very bad. It is very unfortunate that this thing escalated to this point, and from the lady recording the video, you can sense that she has sinister moves. she is like an inciter, because at one point when the water, the lady wants the old lady who was involved in the altercation with the bishop went after, was that anointing oil or something, and then she poured it down. After pouring it down, you can see from the video that there was one person who was pouring some water onto the lady. It is likely, I'm not sure, but it is likely to be the lady recording. And then when the video progresses further, you can see that it got to a point that bad words, words that are not good to our children, are not good to the society, came out. The F words, kind of words. I had even to censor what they were saying so that I can post. You know, with YouTube, it has to be family friendly. So it is very, very unfortunate. After that, you can see the lady goes down. She tried to get the knife. I don't know what the knife is doing in the church. Is it for exorcism or what? I don't know. Once he was getting the knife, the lady recording was, to me, she seems like an inciter. It is not good. It's very bad when such kind of matter escalates to this kind of point, because it is good for brothers and sisters to live in peace and harmony with one another. And also the bishop, you know, a bishop or a pastor is somebody who should be above reproach. I understand we are human beings, but if it gets to a point where he sees danger, the best thing for him to do is to avoid all these shenanigans by walking away or doing something. My thought and prayers is that they have made up, because we should forgive one another, and with such kind of a thing, the church should not stop operating. They have to find a way to solve the issue amicably, to forgive one another, and forge ahead. It is very unfortunate that this thing had to occur. And at first I thought it was in Jamaica, only to realize the arrangement. And also there was one person who was mentioning call 911. It is very unfortunate. My prayer is that they should, at this point in time, I think maybe they have sorted their issue, or if they have not sorted their issue, they should beg for forgiveness. And then another thing that I didn't like about the lady recording, she was talking about her auntie. She was in support of her auntie. In one of the places, she mentioned that it is not good to go physical or be loud to an elderly person. In an African setting, in Jamaica, that is bad manners. We should respect our elders. And even I understand we are human beings. Once you are angry, you can do anything. After you wrong an elderly person, it's good to approach them and beg for forgiveness. So this lady should look for that old lady, the one who was getting into altercation, and beg for forgiveness. She was, at one point, she was telling that she wanted to take away the life of the other, which is not good. I think it is out of anger, but elderly people should be respected. It's not good to speak in a high tone to an elderly person, even if they have taken you to the edge. You should try to avoid such an altercation, because you have to respect them to live long in this world. And if in any case you get into an altercation with an elderly person, it's good to later on approach them and beg for forgiveness. So this has been the video for today. If you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly do me a favor by subscribing, liking this video, and remember to share it out. Cheers, guys. Thank you so much for your support and love. Until next time.